In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from Webull to your bank account. Whether you're cashing out on your investments or simply moving funds around, transferring money from Webull to your bank is straightforward once you know the steps. Let's dive in and simplify the process for you. To start, make sure you have the Webull app installed on your smartphone. Open the app and sign in to your account using your credentials. It's important to note that before you attempt to withdraw funds, you should ensure that any investments you've sold have fully settled in your brokerage account. Typically, this settlement process takes about one trading day for stock sale proceeds. This means you'll need to wait until the funds are officially available for withdrawal. Once you're logged in and your funds are ready, navigate to the transfer section within the app. This is where you'll handle all your money moving needs. After you're in the transfer section, look for the option that says transfer money. Tap on it to proceed with setting up your transfer. At this point, you'll need to adjust the transfer direction. Tap the up and down arrow icon to switch the transfer direction from Webull to your linked bank account. This is crucial because it tells the app where you want the money to go. Next, select your linked bank account from the available options. If you haven't already linked your bank account, you'll need to do so before proceeding. Once your bank account is selected, enter the amount of money you wish to withdraw. Make sure to double-check this amount to avoid any mistakes. After entering the desired withdrawal amount, take a moment to review all the transfer details. This includes ensuring you've selected the correct bank account and that the amount is accurate. Once everything looks good, tap Next. The final step is to confirm your withdrawal request. By doing this, you're officially authorizing Webull to initiate the transfer. Once the request is confirmed, it will be processed and the funds will be on their way to your bank account. Keep in mind that depending on your bank, it might take several business days for the funds to appear in your account. And that's how to transfer money from Webull to your bank account. With these steps, you can easily move your funds with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your financial transactions smoother.